Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Day 5 of the NBA playoffs, April 23, 2026. The Detroit Pistons beat the Orlando Magic 98-83 in Game 2 to even series and NBA's longest home playoff losing streak. Cade Cunningham had 27 points, 11 assists, and 6 rebounds to lead the top-seeded Detroit Pistons to a 98-83 win over the 8th-seeded Orlando Magic, evening their first-round series and ending the longest home losing streak in NBA playoff history. The Pistons had lost 11 straight home postseason games, a drought that started in 2008. Detroit's Tobias Harris scored 16 points and Jalen Doran had 11. Detroit dominated the third quarter, turning a tie game into a rout by outscoring the Magic 38-16 in the period, with six players scoring at least 5 points. After Cunningham scored a career playoff high 39 points in Game 1 and didn't get much help, the All-Star guard had plenty of support with five teammates scoring in double figures. Jalen Suggs scored 19 points, and Paulo Banquero had 18 for the Magic. They combined to miss 14 of 25 shots as the team shot 33% and was held to a season low in points. The Oklahoma City Thunder beat the Suns to go up 2-0 in their first round series. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander had 37 points and 9 assists, and the Oklahoma City Thunder defeated Phoenix Suns to take a 2-0 lead in their first round Western Conference playoff series. Gilgeous-Alexander scored 25 points in the series opening last Sunday, going 5 for 18 from the field. He bounced back in Game 2 with 13 for 25 shooting after being presented the NBA Clutch Player of the Year trophy before the game. Chet Holmgren and Jalen Williams each added 19 points for the Oklahoma City, though Williams left the game in the third quarter with a left hamstring injury and did not return. Dylan Brooks led the Suns with 30 points before fouling out in the fourth quarter. Devin Booker scored 22 points for Phoenix, which will host Game 3 on Saturday, Monday, Philippine time. Let's proceed to the NBA playoffs games scheduled on April 24, 2026. Jalen Johnson and the Atlanta Hawks will try to continue their momentum in their home court against the visiting New York Knicks led by Jalen Bronson in State Farm Arena at 7 a.m. Philippine time or 7 p.m. Eastern time. Scottie Barnes and the Toronto Raptors will try to find a way how to stop Donovan Mitchell and the Cleveland Cavaliers and avoid a 0-3 hole as they meet in their home court, the Scotiabank Arena, at 8 a.m. Philippine time or 8 p.m. Eastern time. Anton Edwards and the Minnesota Timberwolves will try to maximize their home court advantage as their series against Nikola Jokic and the Denver Nuggets shift to Minneapolis at 9:30 a.m. Philippine time or 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Let's proceed to the NBA playoff series standings as of April 23, 2026. Let's start with the Eastern Conference team standings. The Detroit Pistons even their series against Orlando Magic 1-1. Boston Celtics and Philadelphia 76ers series is tied at 1-1. New York Knicks series and Atlanta Hawks series is tied at 1-1. The Cleveland Cavaliers leads their series against Toronto Raptors 2-0. Let's proceed to the Western Conference series standings. Oklahoma City leads their series against Phoenix Suns 2-0. San Antonio Spurs tie their series against Portland Trail Blazers 1-1. The Denver Nuggets and the Minnesota Timberwolves series is tied at 1-1. Los Angeles Lakers leads their series against Houston Rockets 2-0.